about the area between two functions? Suppose I have a curve f of x and a curve g of x, and I want to find the area between them. Well, I can just work out f of x minus g of x, and then work out the area between that and the x-axis. So, assuming that f is bigger than g, we'll just subtract them this way and go from a to b. That's really all there is to it. This, remember, you can work out as two separate integrals of f of x and of g of x. Of course, there's another trap here. If these two functions cross over between the 2 points a and b that you're interested in, then you will have to work out at each point which one's higher than the other and work them out appropriately. So for example, in this one they've said, well, f is greater than g at the start, so we'll always use f minus g. That makes the integration easier because you're always using the same formula. And then this section we're going from a to s. Then this section we're going s to t. Then this section we're going t to u. And this section we're going u to b. And for the sections where g is greater than f, I want the negative integral to give me that area. Of course, you could do two different things to solve this. Alternatively to what's written here, instead of this negative sign, you could put t to s and b to u. Or there's another alternative. Instead of this negative sign here, leaving s to t, you could put g of x minus f of x. Instead of this negative sign, leaving u and b, you could just go g of x minus f of x, because in those two sections g is greater than f. I actually do like it the way the textbook's done it here, because it's consistent. It's always f minus g in every case, and you're less likely to make a silly mistake.